Good morning. Today I'm teaching you class 5th English, a chapter. This is the poem Song of the People. Okay. Now these are the new words of related with this poem. Subway means underground passage for people to cross. ठीक है, सबवे मीन्स इस टाइप से होता है जहाँ से नीचे लोग इजीली पास आउट हो सकते हैं. Underneath means below. Evaluators means lift. Lift, have you seen lift in malls, in any big department, under departments you gone, where moreover shops you found, there you easily found evaluators. Okay, lifts. And grumpy means ill tempered, जिसको बहुत जल्दी गुस्सा आ जाता है. ठीक है. Now this poem is written by Louis Banksy. What he has written in his poem, let me explain you. So, sing a song of people. Everybody seems to be in such a hurry these days. I wonder why. Now people, you found each and everyone is in very hurry. Okay. Now the writer is asking, the poet is asking why they all are in hurry. So let's proceed. Sing a song of people walking fast or slow. People in the city, up and down they go. So we found people everywhere walking. Some people walk fast, some people walk slow. People in the city, up and down they go. Okay. The poet found people's walking up and down from one place to another place. He always found people here and there. People on the sidewalk, people on the bus, people passing in back and front of us. Okay? So if we go in market or if we go in a huge street where moreover people found, where we found many people's walking here and there. People on the sidewalk, हमारे sides पे people walk कर रहे होते हैं. People on the buses, you found people on the buses. People passing and passing. एक जगह से दूसरी जगह आपको people ही दिखाई दे रहे हैं in roads. In back and front of us, हमारे आगे भी हमारे पीछे भी, you found totally people everywhere. Okay. Now next, people on the subway, under beneath the ground, people riding taxis, round and round and round. So you found people on the subway, okay, where the bus stops you found people, and under beneath the ground, and riding the taxis. People are totally you found in everywhere. None of the place you found where you not seen any man or women. Round and round, round and round. People with their heads on going in the doors. People you found who has, some of people's has wear their heads. Going in the doors. कुछ दरवाजे से निकल रहे हैं. People with umbrellas. People के पास अपने खुद के umbrella भी हैं, जो कि ऐसे peoples भी दिख रहे हैं. When it rains and pours, चाहे बारिश होती है तब भी उनके पास होते हैं. And pour means they rapidly flow. It looking like peoples everywhere. They're walking from one place to another place. And he found people having umbrella, people wearing their hats. He found many of the people have their own hats, going in the doors. So here poet is describing that everywhere he found people. People in tall buildings. In tall building also he found people. And in store below. Riding evaluators, up and down they go. Okay? In store, जो in stores हैं उनके नीचे भी riding evaluators, जो सीढ़ियाँ हैं उनसे भी चढ़ रहे हैं people. Up and down they go. They keep going. Some people going upside, some people coming downside. People walking singly, people in a crowd. Some people he found walking single, some people he found walking in a crowd. Crowd means bheed, mob. People saying nothing, people talking loud. Some people saying very loudly and some people are saying nothing. They are quietly walking from one place to another place. People laughing, smiling, grumpy people too, people who just hurry and never look at you. So people laughing, हंस रहे हैं, smiling, grumpy people too. Grumpy people means who are ill tempered, जिनको बहुत जल्दी गुस्सा आ जाता है. Such people also you found in street. People who just hurry. Some people in a very hurry. They are walking very speedily, very speed and never look at you. जो आपको नहीं देख पाते हैं because they are very in a hurry. वो बहुत जल्दी कहीं जा रहे हैं तो they not able to see you. Sing a song of people who like to come and go. Sing of city people you see but never know. Sing a song of people. आप ये गाना गाइए कि sing a song of people. Everywhere you found people who like to come and go. कुछ पसंद करते हैं बाहर आना, कुछ नहीं पसंद करते हैं, इधर से उधर सब जा रहे हैं. Sing of city people. वो उन सिटी पीपल के लिए गाना गा रहा है कि एवरीवेयर ही फाउंड पीपल यू सी बट नेवर नो. मैं उन सबको देख सकता हूँ बट वो पोएट को नहीं जानते हैं. ठीक है. सो दिस इज द पोएम विच द पोएट हैज रिटन एंड ही अ हिडन मैसेज ही इज गिविंग दैट everywhere he found people and that's mean increases of the population and nobody have time to look here and there. Some people are very in a hurry, so they all are working, they all are busy in their where they have to be reached, they going towards that particular direction. So this much is of today. So keep revising this poem, learn this poem. Thank you and have a nice day.